gentlemen, welcome to Austria. Yeah, anyway, we're here for a short little hike trip up the mountain called Sonntagshorn, and it is the highest mountain right here in the area of Chiemgau in Austria, and unfortunately we can't go up the summit because it is quite early this year. We got end of March, still snow up there, quite deep. People do skiing there. But anyway, we will find a place, we will stay one night there and hopefully get some good time lapses of the sunset and sunrise. We will figure out, alright guys, let's go.
Hold on to me, my baby, we will fly high and down the moon. Remember the city, we will leave the Lord in the moon. Burn down those places, we don't know who loves this town. Burn down those places, freedom means unfolding. Burn down those places, we don't know who loves this town. Burn down those places, freedom means unfolding down. Remember those places, we don't know who loves this town. Remember those places, freedom is unfolding down.
This is by far the hardest bit. But that's gonna be the place where I stay tonight. So this is fucking steep. And I think it's beautiful enough for some pictures.
Hold on, do you want to live in the shade? Remember we are all the same. There ain't no race for the wicked. Burn down, burn down, burn down those places. We don't know who loves this town. Burn down those places, freedom means unfolding down. Burn down those places, we don't know who loves this town. Burn down those places, freedom means unfolding down.
Alright guys, I hope you really enjoyed this little hiking clip with Sapphire Safari, and if you did, please like and maybe give us a comment, tell us what you think about all the stuff we do. There are a lot of episodes, by the way, in our YouTube channel. We got Norway, Tenerife, Thailand, and a few short clips as well. And a lot of stuff will follow soon, so don't forget to follow us on Facebook and YouTube. It's a beautiful day, I reckon. It's time to leave, hey? Stay tuned.